Are we alone in the universe? It's the oldest and biggest question humanity has ever asked. For millennia, we've looked up at the stars, wondering if someone else is out there. Science, art, and imagination have all been fueled by this cosmic mystery. We haven't found proof of alien life, or proof that it doesn't exist. The universe keeps offering hints, strange signals, odd objects, and planets that seem just right for life. Today we're counting down 10 real signs that aliens might actually exist. Open your mind, let's dive into the great cosmic mystery. Picture a summer night in 1977 at Ohio State's Big Ear radio telescope. For years it heard only cosmic static, until for 72 seconds it caught a powerful, narrow-band radio signal from the direction of Sagittarius. The frequency matched the hydrogen line, a universal hailing channel for intelligent life. Astronomer Jerry Amon circled the printout and wrote, "Wow!" The name stuck. The signal was 30 times stronger than background noise, then vanished, never to be heard again. No natural explanation fits. Not comets, not debris, not known cosmic phenomena. The wow signal remains the strongest candidate for an alien transmission. A fleeting 72-second question mark in the cosmic dark. For most of human history, our understanding of the cosmos was limited to the planets orbiting our own sun. We gazed up at the night sky, wondering if there were other worlds out there, but we had no evidence, only imagination and speculation. That all changed in the 1990s when astronomers made the groundbreaking discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system. At first these discoveries came slowly, but soon, new detection methods led to a flood of findings, revealing a universe far richer than we ever dreamed. Today we know that nearly every star in the sky likely hosts its own planetary system. Many of these planets orbit within what scientists call the Goldilocks zone, a region around a star where temperatures are just right, not too hot and not too cold for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. This is crucial, because water is the key ingredient for life as we know it. On Earth, wherever we find water, whether in the deepest oceans, the driest deserts, or even inside rocks, we find life thriving in astonishing forms. This connection between water and life drives our search for habitable worlds beyond our planet. Thanks to powerful telescopes like Kepler and TESS, we've discovered thousands of exoplanets, including many that are similar in size to Earth and orbit within their stars' habitable zones. These missions have shown us that potentially habitable, Earth-like worlds are not rare, they're surprisingly common. In fact, scientists estimate there could be as many as 40 billion planets in our Milky Way galaxy alone that might have the right conditions for life. Imagine, billions of worlds, each with its own unique landscapes, climates, and possibilities. Among these, we've already found some especially intriguing candidates. Proxima Centauri b, orbiting the closest star to our Sun, and the 7 rocky planets of the TRAPPIST-1 system, are just a few examples of worlds that might be capable of supporting life. Now, astronomers are using advanced techniques to study the atmospheres of these distant planets, searching for telltale signs of life, like oxygen, methane, and water vapor. These chemical fingerprints could reveal whether life has taken hold on other worlds. The universe, it turns out, is filled with potential homes for life. With so many planets in the habitable zone, the odds seem to favor the existence of life elsewhere. If Earth is just one of countless habitable worlds, then perhaps life here is not unique after all. The search continues, and with every discovery, we come closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? The Milky Way has hundreds of billions of stars, but it's just one of about 2 trillion galaxies. Each galaxy contains billions of stars and likely billions of planets. Multiply that out and the number of potentially habitable worlds is beyond comprehension. The odds that Earth is the only planet with life seem vanishingly small. The Copernican principle tells us we're not special. The raw materials for life are everywhere, and the right conditions exist on an astronomical scale. Statistically, life elsewhere is not just possible, it's probable. To believe we're alone is to believe in a miracle. The universe's sheer scale is the most compelling argument for alien life. Deep within the constellation Cygnus, about 1,470 light-years from Earth, lies a star that has baffled astronomers for years. Known as Tabby's star, or KIC 8462852, it behaves in ways that defy our current understanding of stellar physics. The Kepler Space Telescope, designed to hunt for exoplanets by detecting tiny dips in starlight, first noticed something strange. Tabby's star would dim dramatically and unpredictably, sometimes by as much as 22%, a level of dimming far greater than any planet could ever cause. These dips in brightness don't follow any regular pattern. Unlike the predictable, clockwork dimming caused by a planet passing in front of its star, Tabby's star's light curve is chaotic, with irregular deep plunges that no known natural phenomenon can fully explain. Not comets, not clouds of dust, not even swarms of planetary debris. The mystery has led some scientists to propose a truly extraordinary idea. What if the dimming is caused by an immense alien megastructure like a Dyson swarm, built to capture the star's energy? It's a hypothesis straight out of science fiction, but it's one of the few that fits the bizarre data. Of course, this is a last resort explanation. Most astronomers remain skeptical, searching for more mundane answers. Yet, after years of study, no conventional theory has managed to account for all the observations. The data remains stubbornly mysterious. Tabby's star stands as one of the greatest cosmic puzzles of our time, a reminder that the universe is full of surprises and that our knowledge is still incomplete. Around the world, astronomers continue to monitor Tabby's star, collecting new data and refining their theories. Each new observation brings hope for a breakthrough, but also deepens the mystery. Perhaps the answer lies in a natural phenomenon we have yet to discover, something that will expand our understanding of how stars behave and evolve. Or maybe, just maybe, Tabby's star is a sign of something truly extraordinary, evidence that we are not alone, and that the universe holds secrets beyond our wildest imagination. Whatever the truth may be, Tabby's star challenges us to keep searching, to question what we know, and to never stop exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. We used to think life needed perfect conditions, sunshine, warmth, water. But Earth's extremophiles prove otherwise. Life thrives at hydrothermal vents, in the Atacama Desert, in acidic pools, and even inside nuclear reactors. These organisms survive crushing pressure, radiation, and near-total dryness. Life adapts, finding a way in the harshest environments. This has revolutionized our search for life elsewhere. Planets don't need to be Earth twins. Life could exist deep underground or in subsurface oceans like on Europa or Enceladus. Extremophiles show that life is more robust and adaptable than we ever imagined. If life can survive Earth's extremes, it could thrive on countless worlds. In December 1990, the Galileo spacecraft, a robotic explorer launched by NASA, made a close flyby of Earth as it slingshotted toward its ultimate destination, Jupiter. This maneuver wasn't just a routine part of its journey, it was also a unique scientific opportunity. Renowned astronomer Carl Sagan proposed a fascinating experiment. What if we used Galileo's sophisticated instruments to observe Earth as if it were an unknown planet, just like any other world in the cosmos? Could we, from a distance, detect signs of life on our own planet? As Galileo's sensors scanned our world, they detected unmistakable evidence. Vast stretches of agriculture, the presence of atmospheric oxygen far out of chemical equilibrium, and, perhaps most strikingly, artificial radio signals pulsing from the surface. These are all clear markers of a technological civilization, signs that intelligent beings not only inhabit Earth, but have transformed it in profound ways. The experiment was groundbreaking. It proved that life, especially intelligent life, leaves behind detectable fingerprints, chemical, technological, and even visual, on its home planet. If we can spot these clues from space on Earth, then perhaps we can use the same techniques to search for life on distant exoplanets orbiting other stars. The Galileo experiment became a template for astrobiologists and astronomers, guiding how we search for alien life by looking for similar biosignatures and technosignatures elsewhere in the universe. It demonstrated that intelligent life can be visible, even from vast interplanetary distances, simply by the traces it leaves behind. The strongest evidence for life on Earth, as seen by Galileo, wasn't just our atmosphere or our cities, it was the constant stream of radio and television broadcasts leaking into the cosmos, announcing our presence to anyone who might be listening. In a sense, we are the aliens, at least from the perspective of a distant observer. Our planet, glowing with technology and life, is a beacon in the darkness, inviting the universe to take notice. For years, UFOs were dismissed as fantasy, but since 2017, declassified Pentagon reports and videos have changed the conversation. Military pilots have recorded objects, now called UAPs, performing maneuvers that defy known physics. The famous FLIR, gimbal, and go-fast videos show craft with no visible propulsion, moving at impossible speeds. Official reports confirm these objects are real and unexplained. Out of 144 military encounters, only one was explained: a weather balloon. The rest remain a mystery, with capabilities far beyond any known technology. The alien hypothesis is now officially on the table. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked, "Where is everybody?" With billions of stars and planets, alien civilizations should be common. Yet we see no signals, no probes, no evidence, just silence. This contradiction is the Fermi paradox. Maybe we're alone, or maybe there's a great filter that wipes out civilizations. Perhaps aliens are hiding, or their technology is unrecognizable to us. The silence itself is a clue, a cosmic mystery. Are we missing something fundamental about life and intelligence? The Fermi paradox forces us to question our assumptions about the universe. What if reality itself is a simulation? Philosopher Nick Bostrom argues that advanced civilizations could run countless simulated worlds. If so, it's statistically likely we're living in one. The universe's pixelated quantum structure and mathematical laws hint at code. Maybe the Great Silence is programmed. Aliens simply weren't included in our simulation. Or maybe the simulators are the ultimate aliens, existing outside our reality. This idea is untestable, but it's a mind-bending solution to the mystery of our cosmic loneliness. Sometimes the strangest answer is the one we can't disprove. The most powerful clue is us. Life happened here, proving it's possible. The universe isn't sterile, the laws of physics can produce life. Our existence is a precedent, a data point in the cosmic equation. If life can arise once, it can arise again. With trillions of habitable worlds, the odds favor life elsewhere. To think we're unique is arrogance. The principle of mediocrity says otherwise. We are the universe's proof of concept. The fact that we exist means the universe is capable of producing life. We are the evidence that life is possible, anywhere. We haven't met aliens yet, but the clues are stacking up. Strange signals, billions of habitable planets, unexplained phenomena in our skies. Life thrives in extremes, and our own existence is proof of possibility. Each clue is a thread in a tapestry of cosmic potential. Are we the watchers or the watched? The search continues. Subscribe to NexTen Space for more mysteries, because the universe is full of possibility.